Uh, so this season has been a great season, especially for the national team. Not so much on my club side, but we look at the positives most of the time. And yeah, it's been a great season for me. Getting called up to the national team, winning the AFCON, being able to play in FIFA World Cup. That's not the experience everyone gets. So now I'm just looking forward to getting promotion with my club and looking forward to the Olympics as well. I felt I didn't feel much about it, but I knew I could really inspire the children, the youth. Even though I'm not much older than them, I knew that I could inspire them because the past experiences, the trauma at home, everything. Because most of us we go through similar things, especially if we're from the Cape Flats. So yeah, we just gotta keep pushing. Motivate yourself. The best motivation is from yourself. Don't go watch videos and stuff. It's always from yourself. Yeah. So at the moment I'm on my road to recovery, so I'm just every day in the gym, making my body stronger so that when I get back, I won't take long to get into the team and making my body stronger. So when I get back, yeah, at the same level as everyone else. So yeah, road to recovery is going good. Hopefully soon I'm back soon. I feel very honored. Feels like I'm the best in Cape Town. Okay, but I've always had that mentality that I am the best, so I always kept it so. So it's no surprise to me, but very honored to win that award.